Guys, let's just unpack here on News Galo for hayi bo guys, naku kuthiwa uOwam no Lasizwe bebelwa at YouTube Black nebebiziwe lapho, you know, it was nice event and all of that. Hayi basuka ke bathi kodwa what happened was that uLasizwe uyena usukele uOwam, because I was just like, when I first heard this story I was just like, hayi bo kanjani guys, ngoba uOwam imdala for these things, like why? Ukubona le nto le abathu brothers akushiwo futhi nokuthi baliswe yini, kodwa bese ku fusek like ukubona it's an event guys. Why or singaphumeli phandle soba u2 sizwe kahle ukuthi okay isilwelana, why we fighting yini lengaka, and uyabona nje ukuthi le beef yabo izoqhubeka. Uyabona le nto, and mina ngize ngithi izinto eziso, you know, I'm sure khona some relative of yours that wants to be a YouTuber, but mesebezwa izinto kanje they just like I thina asifuni ukwenza YouTube mos, abantu bakhola abekho right abakwazi ukuziphatha abahlezebela. Ukubona le nto le kuthiwa bese kucishe bedonsana ezintonsana ni befuna nje uLasizwe ukugibela uOwam noOwam befuna ukugibela uLasizwe. I'm just like guys, like why silula ini ngempela. And ayiphuma indaba bathi futhi uOwam she doesn't want to talk about it ngoba ngathi sekuinvolve namalawyer. Hayi vele ke uOwam is consent kodwa ke mina ngihleze ngimkhuza la ku YouTube ukuthi ungabe uhamba usukelana uOwam yasukana uyabophisana akadlali. I even made an example ukuthi uOwam wabophisa ubaba wakhe futhi nakhona through usisi wakhe, because uthi the father actually did not support them as children after their mother passed on. Wangaba support, and then what happened was that wavele wathi kusisi wakhe cabanga usisi wakhe sona 28. Actually the sister has just graduated now, she was 28 last day. Wathi lalela hamba umbophisa ubaba wethu ngoba wena vele anawo akasebenzi and all, so you still need his money, so mbophisa wambophisa uOwam amtshela wathi hamba uyombophisa ubaba wethu ukuthi akondle ngoba vele akazaza akondle. When you were a child they must maintain you. Imagine guys, so ameswalana all the season they have time, like I don't even know ukuthi baxatshaniswe yini, but I'm just like, why do you wanna involve yourself in such? Uyabona ukuthi you're gonna have problems. No, cause izinto nje guys, let's just avoid them as YouTubers. Singahambi siyifaka kakhulu, singenelele kakhulu kuze kweqa akufuneki, just walk away. uOwam whatever Lasizwe said to her, she should have just walked away. Or ambizana ngaphandle athi bra please, I'm not your age, I'm not your friend, like kuphele, and then we move on. Manje sebezokwazi ukuthi bazwana, you know, basazoba drag even on Twitter, like please balulala sazophuma kahle le ndaba akakaphumi all of it. Guys, yamaza ngithi uSel Beyonce uSelby is leaving Ukhozi FM ne, and then Ukhozi nje off late thina sisakhula ingekho lento kusayo Radio Zulu. Kwamna ngihlala ngakawini Mahlangu, the first people abenza iRadio Zulu to be where it is now. We just never used to hear these things ukuthi ku Radio Zulu abantu baxoshwa or they pass on at work, they don't necessarily retire. Ba retire or abantu sibaziyo thina that started Radio Zulu Winnie Mahlangu, they retired proper. She just passed away maybe at 80 something now in 2023. But I'm just like, kwenzakalani manje eRadio Zulu ukubona le nto le. So uSel Beyonce is leaving, people are like what, awusukujwayele phela lokho phela ngoba nina niyaxoshwa lapho o, and I feel ukuthi management le yamanje uza manje usathana emsebenzini manje awubona abantu beyiyeka imisebenzi awuzibuza ukuthi why they will rather work from home or basebenze izinto zabo endlini. Awubona abantu banama YouTube channel abanye nga10. I'm just like okay guys, ngathi ngihlula le 4 uthani ngamqala phi nje guys. Iyakhumbula ngithi noZanele, and then abazoprofetha kokhehlelezi nobani abama prophets, they were saying things like ubani uzolandela uzolandela. A lot of people have actually passed on at Ukhozi FM asithini for the past 4 years mhlamba sibeke kanjani. There's just been a lot going on, and then abantu bazoya ku Twitter but hayi fanele so cleanse nje lapha kwenzakalani lapha kwenza uyabona end up manje usabantu ukusebenza khona, because it's like what's gonna happen. This episode is actually not funny guys. And radio DJ bakhona bavele babe into ezigulayo nje ihlezi nje izibuthwa nezibi, abantu bagule ubuza ukuthi hayibo umuntu afika right la. Once you work there ngathi futhi uyasongelwa uyatshelwa samo uyahletshela ukuthi lale ngiyokulast futhi ngathi if you papa too much uba khona inkinga. I don't know. Yeah, you know the thing at work, uzenza ngcono, you know too much. All those things. Guys, and manje end up manje sekuyukuthi abantu abamnyama. But sekhona amanye ama-situation nabelungu. Mina I've worked kumeza naye abangafuni nje ukuthi futhi angithe abantu white people ngabe ngithe abelungu. Ngike ngasebenza nabelungu abangafuni nje ukuthi uprogress empilweni. It's like lalela ngeke uzofike wena la. Uzosidlula. Like kwenzeke kanjani lokho uyohlezi nje ngaphansi kwethu. Asifuni nokwazi. Guys, uSelBeyonce yena uyathandeka and bayambiza ey'ntweni like he does do like he actually does get like a lot of gigs, you know. Bayambiza for interviews, for ama-reunion, you know, like uyathola umsebenzi kuMoja Love, like he does get work. Her last day was actually the 18th on Wednesday yesterday. Uyahamba uSelBeyonce uright after she presented the show for years and the afternoon shows. So she came in 2012. I was shocked by that. Mina ngitsho nje umuntu wamanje ngo-2015 mhlawumbe 16 futhi 2019 even guys. Hayi uSelBeyonce uhlalile eKhozi FM guys. Bathi uSelBeyonce did mention ukuthi no, there's no bad blood between mina and the station Ukhozi FM happy right. It was time to move on. It's very rare that you'll tell us ukuthi uyaphi. Yeah, but ube umuntu we-TV and all the chances are we're going to see her more on TV. But Shame, I'm so excited for her for her new chapter. Love this for her. Thank you so much guys. Ngithanda over.